Hello adventurers and backyard enthusiasts. Today we're exploring the Adler Rheinland hatchet, a versatile 14-inch tool perfect for wilderness adventures and backyard tasks. This German-forged hatchet boasts a C60 steel head, weighing in at just 1.35 pounds, and is designed for precise control, whether you're chopping firewood or crafting detailed feather sticks. Its compact US-sourced hickory handle, available with red or olive stripe accents, features an ergonomic curve and a non-slip black paint coating for a secure grip in any condition. The professional-grade Rheinland pattern head, tempered to 47 to 55 HRC, excels at delimbing trees and carving, combining traditional design with modern materials for superior cutting efficiency and durability. Built with a secure wood and round metal wedge head mount, each hatchet comes with a Lithuanian-crafted heavy-duty leather sheath featuring a 2-button release system. With a legacy dating back to 1919, Adler blends tradition and innovation, creating a tool that embodies 4 generations of craftsmanship and expertise. Whether you're heading into the wilderness or tackling tasks closer to home, the Adler Rheinland hatchet is your perfect all-purpose companion. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.